In this video, I want to show you guys the stuff that I'm making for my 11-month-old baby. I want her to start eating solid, like proper swallow. So I'm starting out with this. What I intend to do with this is simple. Let me show it to you guys one after the other. Make this for your child and thank me later. Meanwhile, you can see the ingredients, but the process is what I'm yet to show you guys. The process is what I'll be showing you guys in this video. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, put it on all so that anytime I upload a video you'll be notified. This right here is on ripe plantain. This is the one I could get because they are pricey right now in the market. Nothing is wrong with it, just that the body is rough like that. I've washed it thoroughly, and of course before I blend it, I'm still gonna rewash because it's for a baby. It got to be done with lots of hygiene. So I washed the fish thoroughly with clean water several times. I'm going to add my onions followed by seasoning cube, just like salt. Cover it and place it on fire to boil. While the fish is boiling on the fire, this tomato is properly washed. I'm just going to remove the cap, cut it into pieces, and just put the onions, okra. This is our first time trying it, so I'm going to be making a little bit of it. Blend. I'm going to pour the mixture, the okra, the one tomato that I added inside the pan. You see it's ready. I'm going to add the fish stock. This is really thick. I'm not going to add right now. I'm going to add palm oil, just a few drops. Add seasoning cube. No more, just I took half. So at this stage now, I'm ready to add the fish. So 2 is okay because today is our first time. So I don't know if she's going to eat it or not, and there's no pepper in here. You know now, I won't be able to eat it if at the end of the day she refuses. So I'm going to show you the rest of the things. Stay tuned as I show you the other thing. Here is the unripe plantain. So I have cut it, sliced it into pieces like this. I added water, plenty of it, so that my blender will not spoil. So I'm going to blend it now. I put some water on fire. You can see I'm going to turn the blended plantain, unripe plantain, inside the pot. I made this much because I'm also going to eat some. Not with that soup though. All you have to do is just stir and stir and stir. Stir the paste. This one don't need low heat. You can put it on high heat or low heat, whichever heat you want. Whatever heat temperature you want to use is absolutely your choice. Yo, it's ready now, it's cooked. We are starting with this little. If she likes it, I'll come back and get some more. Yo, the end result of everything we have been doing so far, the blended okra, fish and unripe plantain for the baby. I hope that she eats this. If she do, I'll be so glad. But I'm going to see if I can show you guys a little of what goes down there. Are you ready for this, baby? Here is your water, okay? No, don't put anything inside. Let me feed you. Wendy, see. Wendy, don't go away. Wait. What do you want? You want my water? You want my own water? Okay, take it. Play with it. See your food. Wendy, Coco. Wendy. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. You like it? I want. Baby, yum, yum, yum. Yum. Oh my god. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm just going to concentrate on feeding my baby. I'm so excited for this. So you guys, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Wendy, say bye guys. You want food? This is what is left of the food. You can see she ate almost all the fish. So whatever you're seeing, there is like me thinking there is bone in it, and the bones I could find. So it's very good.